But when they gave us Negimioa, and Aduda is not telling you, we published it publicly and called all the clubs to confirm. The clubs that are included there, the clubs Maonge, to bring in their petitions. And we had a whole 1 week to receive those petitions and another 1 week to listen to those petitions. And it went from 5th, Manone Benua published the last list to 14th of October because of appeal and a court order. The reason Momi Onentia kata court order and some litigation process is simply because we refused to go with a list that we were given without consulting all the members, including the members who are not included in that list. We had a deliberative engagement, but the list that we came up with in each and every county in this country was a list that was deliberated, and we made decisions based on robust evidence. Where parties no agree your decisions, they went to an appeals committee. We have no control of the appeals committee. The appeals committee made a decision where we were summoned to go and explain why we made the decision that we made. Kane ngato kori diga gimano, they went to SDT. And there are counties where delegates went all the way to magistrates and high court. And there are even 2 counties right now where those lists are still being contested, Homa Bay and Nyamira. So I think it is wrong to tell Kenyans, lists, because that list is the voters' register. The integrity of the electoral process is anchored on that list. And as professionals, because I don't run football, I don't. I'm just a fan of football, passionate about football. My master's thesis was on football. That's why I found myself helping the entire process. So I did not go there to do someone's bidding. I went there to help the real people who are stakeholders of football make a decision. And we did it to the best of our ability. We are not saying that we were perfect. We are not saying that there are no loopholes, but those are loopholes that are occasioned by individuals in the organization, and we tried our level best to do the right thing.
Agna du kumi wangiane kaka yero makinyilita ziwe. Bisa bedo gi paro ni onge club mawuok e Nyanza matugo lig maduong' mar KPL.